say drink.
Me so on Kenya some da me na nantia oh. Kwara say osan ye hu for so wa. No ye coward. Oni wuntimi nya issue. Wuntimi fa ho akona na ho say na fe
So boy, it's just about 8 minutes past 8. I am Akoma 87.9 FM. Lawyer Asante Boateng declaration for Alan Kojo Martin has still been a news, and there saw the many people. But man for did say Adan or the Alan team. One of them, one of the Dr. Baumia's campaign team members in Asante region, Andy Owusu, aide to Chairman Guntumi. Andy, good morning. Baby Abakodia.
One bra,
Adam. From Enra, lawyer Asante Boateng Kobobai, Mumubi, Ejidi said, the gentleman is not being sincere. Now, the all can in ano or allegations I would be a Kamoto no Kramanchiano, Kabu Munina Ama. You have issued a statement, sir, and yada the all can no crefri na kumem na order Alan. Why? What do you know? I gonna phone
I'm sure Asante Manina, and I'm sure Ira in a survey yet some Sikaja. Ira direction or 1 year for Sinira Casa, Dr. Balmedia or Yenebana. Sebubia, Yen soon Sikaja, anyway, na Ira Kutadima, Santimero Kutadima, Suyan so many any. Na Echubia Chayura, say a conjure so Koya or Dian Bunyam, then Santimedini. After wa amanso nyina nso so no bona boso nyankopon enkoso na omana hini no enhina entra enko Ghana ene ewiase akanyina nso lawyer Asante Boateng de no de me try no me try se bia lawyer de me kan se Akoma mupa no so eno Asante sisi tontumia fa ona meko akoji tumi no bonye tumi ni bia eto tumi na sa akojo maame iti lawyer o hwe ne nsem o kan no asankare ne nsem do kan kono nguna tripifi say obi tumi aboa ami agi tumi no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ebi say asankare say ugina ho a o kire adikro ntia tumi ni eto so enye sebe enton anabusia aneyebo a political party, police station for the police station for see it to me. It to me a political party. Political party be a dear we are and say, obey to me, or a political leader, obey to me. I'm a party members and no mind. Lawyer Chiladi consent here. The Dr. Baumia qua, a bit win power. That
is a new lawyer Asante Boateng no Mukai.
I don't American lawyer Asante Boateng.
I see.
Or tray, since I was Sankari. You bet now, Unim say the whole Ashanti MPs, India will be seen there. Asante Boateng long one say, Dr. Baumia Tari, Party A, Tarina, and the Koya, and one baby, or Shatarena. Actually, think here, Dr. Baumia, and the bit my head. I get one or tray, but Konomono Sono, one cassette said the law for Ireland. And a dear no bit my jet power. So, name or say the dear Okono, or qua, or few say, or being any. So, but while more, say Dr. Baumia nationally, or see you can be all Dr. Baumia, you know, additionally, make a simple, said the Indian Panoquano, or Marco Preview do more baby, Indian and your politics. So, Indian will be crying about what you be now so baby. And politics on that. But women, you can't be magic to me, dear. One castle one can or them will say, Dr. Baumia to me, the no queen you. Women will think of me. It is an assembly, you say, message, a second year. It means, say, Dr. Baumia here, only person, or between the agi to me. It is like something between us and the account. There's something what kind of baby after. Say, Ira Baumia to me. Na Ira and the victim. So they all say, crown or we and or say, Allah no can get to be a month man. Tano Zaka interview. It is said, Ibiana, ebufu anasen me a lawyer na nsem ne kasa about can be
so before campaign when a lawyer Asante Boateng kasa 1-on-1.
Oh, and you catch there
behind the scenes he's sincere say otaba umiachi
100% and over and I'm lawyer in content that na me can me boada 100% and over.
And you one pa with the passion no in kasa
and yes dia what I just what na no and no ma why you go come so the church na it say no man kasa why you no man kasa yi
really
lawyer you no man no me what Dr. Bawumia anya Asante to it no the lawyer kai no lawyer that will feel on cover bia so share listener by now so share closely listener by no kana so the lawyer will be too kind no ni here
yeah
so when you want to benefit so no obeka cho nkumo di kama so do obeto no kama obeto ma no kama the yi se boko and from amfa ho so
no but that means that the issue among for kase MPCB dada Dr. Bawumia no and it is coming true MPCB because obi oma you oma for the sake say Bawumia but behind the scenes
no me got some to the whole Jesus Christ was sister who obobo media business was no bo me do one dance here at a media no okay politics you know baby the parudo no o come in parudo so MPD no other that Dr. Bawumia any penny also unsura bolding as soon as it was me this is the reason why see I'm a Dr. Bawumia so you call Ramsey when about the Casabia reason sainty ever to my candidate way and what time they can bra Mr. Kofi Asante morning show ya de you hey na obi abaje so ntime penance na obi aka na oko no yaba morning show Kofi Asante me ba ye Mr. Kofi Asante o ya de morning show no no na se gani nyina so mu say o me general so the year bebo if he say ono na asumesi maame ekọ ton akora no ono ene fe chiku hu sampa bo bi do bi gane e no ko gene baaye ohu say nipa we eni mani di general is for more Ghana swa obi tina aboa church o mo kwen fa so a obi ko ton nipa obi tin na namba bro do me cast money show ya dey here e dey ade no maka okay so babu mbatwa tiase makesi so ejula Asante Boateng dey no kan me say fan tape ewo ala ni video kono Asante yeah me fan video a ewo kono me ti dey kan
I see
so udi ekwa no ekoye ma ekono mo fini kwa sorry na go mu kakra and also kwa ma menka na okra na my complain na ma so say na say na makoma nje so on kanu be bia da say Dr. Bawumia enye dey inye ni papa another Dr. Bawumia menye na boko ofie bia nko you are say say kwa kuton candidate obi nko so bia qualify but this time you come not in there.
Wow. So your declaration and rechiwie you know. When you kwaya friend be say now lawyer minim say wo de nka wo fie ye den. What friend?
Oh my friend.
And what's saying?
Let me say, yeah, my friend, I'm on the classes of a friend.
Hey,
my friend, the friend not drive it. It will do it, no, a choco meeting or Swandy. That's when I'm driving, what friend, and may be come up. Meme crowd in a trade, the born man, and a year, officer. Mount Trunia or no so catching that had the 1 trillion.
And our friend was saying now or can't that line and answer or day.
Oh, I'm going
no, but so afraid so besides
my friend, no, for my friend, on our friend.
I will be saying, sir, what to say, acquire declaration for Alan if you not come, one answer.
Me catch them so because we na also hold the and you want to support it. It's support na the Dr. Bawumia and you no support na the my.
And what's he saying?
Me catch said the minimum of academic in the can reduce. What can I say?
Wow.
It is a PR and the Mikacho say, on go baby.
Akoma FM.
But as a Alan team no, I shake Kumasi ma Baomian.
Now, yes, say that very boko. Yes, say Alan team not take Kumasi. Yes, sir. No problem. Bia na ya na go chama no moka na okofa Bible to say the John the Baptist. E ka sin ku say Yesu say oronya de nkona na say show fredi. Ade Yesu ka che na say de momo hunu monko na mo ka nche no. Na mo ka che no do hu se meni ade nkona nyamna ni ade nkwana. If eja no eyi die ade nkwana ba no me bi say de.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Na chama ko ka che say ampa you ose fata enu bi anso nso ose fata munyina mo se fata munyina ne du mugina yo wan bitimi abono then so ne idie so hu do bitimi pa ma breaking the 89 possible pa ye Dr. Baumia o beche cha de kunti o set ma Dr. Baumia but say o candidate for kwa almost say okay ya jatu eni amanfo beka don beka no so hu enipa ne yesi bi enim no nenso so ntin kan no sense opa hwezons no makoni nyina no nema me chama ba ko a o se ana se constituent ba ko a mo se full endorsement say ndie edim so na obe ko una be yesi una akoyesi nti una bi tumi akwakoji tumi no be bie no no ma me ba ko o de o ma me constituency ba ko a me so me ka cho so ki ase na chama na ka yem friend ne busa same bo a we could be na party no discipline party. This is bia, yes we ba, no candidate ba. Yam pano, baby. We don't do that. A party ni mapa. Sebe, omo breso, Adrian and the ATB, omo ne penifo be deep party name, a bre ya ma party na ye, or be share delegator, or see a general well true. Or say the ohono, near catcher no. But the pomo pe, pa, tu manum tu, actually saint here. Or say dear to me say no ben take on a day and no day Dr. Baumia and no dear man ba wa uni and be out there yeah bra
mama found see na I think say we better within the week near din come hi Akoma 87.9 FM JB the omo I get election is getting interesting na a free and rabena will continue to follow and I'll pay a shame what is going on in KMA at KMA, Yashabu for Praga, nobody now, so it didn't come up. The Alan Kojucha Martin's team and so high, I share you didn't come up. Ubit mean so after 03 224 98035 98036. Yeah, now made Mr. President address Abreu very briefly. Now, yet mean so aboso. Very quick one. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yes, sir, honey.
But the fact that yeah, Kofi. In fact, we will be a Debia Metin de Mission at the fluent chain. Watch that the ampa. What a Pragashu Ibrahim. Well, you're very nice. I feel that you also did become a
87.9.
Dr. Bahumia, dear, at the move to cool one echo. Say, let me tell you one thing. Say, will be caught baby say. One day Bahumia will win the power the Muse say said out my catastrophe. Dr. Bahumia, Eddie was there, Oko, that's any power cross I could never be so, and I mean sooner than I could be that. And crash was any panel, and a yellow bin or the call, and then the pet. And she catch up upon all cats the president and say, Bahumia do a mupil or moon pill or one the beko, and a paragraph where you know, Kofi quickly. As a separate paragraph on the chat, and Brown organ. Accra. Papa is
87.9.
What is West and man for? Look at Manchester now. They are bullying in a way. Will be a dim rasso. And it's now, baby. I say to me, Adam Raya Juma. That's a Diana, and I say, and I say, what a wow capital now, no coffee from your brain. A good say, what I do and you call movie. Fine, say, I can't never do another education now for my. That doesn't mean so for a police need. It's a soldier for 2 to be visited. Hey, and you couldn't find a clipper. But you're baby, I didn't start from. How can you go to Kremlin? So what attacking at the assembly? What assembly? What attacking with your government at the seat of the assembly? Why? the military should make sure that one bed make it one bed coming it down because omu che kumasi and yasami the visit omu member 21st nidua omu nko Bank of Ghana they go and meet their rare side. Thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
You are the most young.
Yeah, Mamintio.
Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
Mamintio Asante is the secretary about for another excellent gentleman. I'm you. Kofi Asante. Ubianka se mo bi ndi mmira so. Ipacho emene odi edidu o mo anase ene efani o mo. First of all, I did it and I could DVL and so about any register. The last second I catch us all to say I don't know ma. The kind of catch room. And if any so Pacho one fly over there they call the Roma Hill no. The Pacho Honum the station now you look at the station so Asante and my man see Kumasi and Pacho how a station. And I'm separated boys I take one minute on the half a station. This is the Abena Kono Pacho or Mono and I'm the tell me Eddie Home. Who could please to Moody Home? They criminal more 24 hours. Ya say and now uncle omun and status you to move for good that mun yamu kadi rodo for me pato you must ruana if pato because of say omo or more come up for I did it and I'm the muni come up for say on to say sango for now you status you to omo so kukunko no the digina and I no tell you so for that the tap no me so you mo cause na ma kram we chat what to say but ala ni nipa na ma na ocho no ote o so mo tu en sa so mo say yesu tie o mo tu good amla kwamenye sense no mo ni di bom yachi enti we about president o pese amafo di wachi to mo ko sense na be president dia say Ghana di o be di green de bo broadcast say mo yi good ni yam enti do mentality for back more money Muslim no it what just say the party na Ghana for yan pe kwa because I hope that we are let us say mu community but we are happy as president.
Okay. Good morning. How are you?
Onimyoka Kofi.
How there?
Kofi we the king of taxi drivers. Ekis agogo. Gogo na ka say. Kofi Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so chiafa. President for crowd ban. Kofi and I am the power of Monsima Mokano. Na Fragafo no, and na Kofi Yesu Bekebi. Kofi won't say JV, or at last no Kasa, or can we say, and Kofi say, or more Fragafo na Komali Bibu said, the only one who was not making you. Say Fragafo na Mali Bibia, make me get one, me just JV, also some way would change, say, Mentafio.
Sir, what you are also China.
Debut, Kofi, the JB yellow. I say near your friend say came before no woman near one more year. Came before the sea. Asante memu anase you want a woman dear. Eti woman be say no Kofi e was say ye adwuma wo Ghana ha. Ye se pragia ye nsi obi an kwase mo pragia nya adwuma. Nti obi asem mo pragia nya adwuma. O se baby kakra bi ye ayi adumo num kakra na ye se pragia go ma mo ma ho. Wait, I some way problem pay woman say and the woman come some ye masa Kofi ye nye wo kroma came for woman pragia for na tenase aka some bi also wo ka bia wo mo see wo mo pragia for ne ba betre came for ne say sadia ni mo kokutu sankofo we wo mo ko pam we num ansa na ye yate ase na Kofi za some we even ye ka no asem we and you find your canoe, they be sorry or no abekase, who could take him a Kusunania and Kofu is saying what Udian Kia Kapan Kapragan, gave a pan because you really take my walk. A Kapan and Kapragan and Nanka Wapa. The Kofi came before that, and when we say, a Yancy say, ya, one day bar, a bebois, a Mokumasiati, no Matima Kofi, no Musu, bar. Jabby no way or no baby side, a honor quite.
Obiansi, quite hello. I am for the next caller 0322498035 98036. Good morning.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir. Of Abana Mamintio, quick one.
Yo, Aduanaba. Me chama no tie fu nyina. Na ke me so nsam no. Ne media pragia no Kofi wanitia me me moto sa 10 years. Na kwanya. Enemran Akoma FM ye din kakra na akura menka ma FM.
Na minje.
Nwure me moto 10 years. ene mrantie ya omuba ti no mtiti moto Kofi nya papa Kofi no drive da hwe tragia ino mbi na mtimfi little sister ba ko mbi ebu ni sisi ma na da ai me wo fa ase kura ai afon kwanta hono ai oh what ya mamen fan into hono wo mu din krofo awu enti so ma ya se se duru ha se ya na nko maka ni adea na what ya me de no prima the next president Alanko Joshua Martin ka kira mi nia endi ke ewi ase so obi brother some pa tinuma ye juma ti ewura Alanko Joshua Martin na andi one andi kura ka se empanimfo no ewura Alanko Joshua Martin na juma o maye no eso fa so na me nia endi no nyina o mu dibie enti sa papa we ka wote me no mie no nyina ye bun kotege da onyanko pass say ewura Alanko Joshua Martin ye de papa ne beba.
Okay, good morning when you good morning when you okay good morning
87.9
yeah when you
Aba we wa ni abema ba kope o opisa gude no be fi mo kwada sofa
agude mete on kanche
afa yampa
amintio
yampa nyamisla o e di mapa mo ya bo madagana afa efa fidation fanche modu and command the next president of the republic his excellency Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia na hombra sie ne nyuma panti na party for ne nyese de ne ba bedi na nado danko kufa do de ne nyuma pa na nado start ne nyuma baba to so e de ko wie pa live center sefo tafo pankro no ana ye Fred Kojon cancer mason kwanta ofa aseme dika le mo ma sie ka ofa me de bia maka ana maka o many platforms I say me ne ke me nya dwenta e say mo ma pragia for no enko ye district economy and I can say central market central business and fan enko ye adwuma ofa eno de eno mo ya dwemba bia nya yi Kofi because me no nyina beja tum say wiase ne ba bia ye de ne enya Ghana nko a enti kakran mo so mo ye mo sabe ko ma no ofa wo ye yi a ofa e be sere kemefo no decision we de mo san hu bi me mo ofa me ne ayi for bia so nya dwen say we for no pragia for no enfam na show mo nsem ese even though say came for so mo nko mo so mo de mra na show mo nsem aye de mo pe ofa ye ne sa ye ne say nyi ese bi bia ye de ano na eka enti ne say ano baba e ma abato ofa ne ta na mo ka no
pepepe
enti se bibia na enti ase a ofa ye nyina ye enti ase ye ntena ase ne ye sinkonya ne ye fa de etuye no na na obi anti ne ho ase enu mo me fa better than say Obaka say won tiache because na ye say ye chiro mo ye police for be ye apply do ma ko hospital omo so nkofo ya chi be ye aba ne say nanka ye den na go.
Okay, observer, it is time to address the president. The higher Akoma, 87.9 FM. Good morning, Ghana. Good morning, Mr. President.
Mr. President, 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 Mr. President.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. I ask you to be citizens. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation.
Mr. President, 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 Mr. President.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our Akoma FM 87.9.
Of course, good morning, Ghana, and good morning, Mr. President. Season way a timer, you catch an another than Kwakufuado, the situation as it is. They reported the Ghana for say things are not going on well. Mr. President, and I pay very brief. And means very simple. Ghanaian businessmen, Egususu, cost of doing business is high. Cost of doing business in Ghana is terrible. At the time when Obi Biara Eswe Wiase Deno, Ghanaian businessmen are worse off. Almost situation here that precarious and very dangerous that many businesses go out of business. Businessmen are near Nimu 2014 2015 and now electricity ekuomo. Now they were compelled to be relocating from Ghana to many parts. They were forced to collapsing their businesses, and now many of them are getting worse off and worse off. Mr. President, maybe a Ghana the need for a very radical and immediate approach. Now than Kofi way back in 2016, a promise Ghana for in August 18th, 2016, catch Ghana for say cost of doing business is very high. Now Niama Bebre and what but to focus on the private sector, said the private sector will be the engine of growth. My Ghana mo. Now than Kofi my young Kaiwo, this message I did Ghana for.
Say a bit boy, I'm uncle Juma. Etimu Ghana. One and one people say, one they are buying, one person are buying in a decline. You're paying for the Sudan. You're here and they say, Obama and Crank my left one. And now, the one energy because one and the one. This is about the Sadia. Not Ghana. Who will be everywhere? Your Mupani informal sector. And try to come as it said MPP before. Yakupo MPP Kwanamaye. Ghana runs MPP Kwanamaye. Say, what say? You want to say? Ghana for MPP. Yakupo Aye, MPP Kwanamaye said, you did your cocoa. Every year, I will share and I brought it out every year.
Mr. President, these are some of the things, a few months to election in 2016, sitting back for more than 3 attempts to becoming president. I went to me and the private sector as a capitalist. Your party is a capitalist, not a socialist. A capitalist party who empower the private sector. No? And Yama Yeti Ghana is getting too dangerous and scary. Nana, are you aware? Sese kadudu ayebo sika any 16 mum going to IMF for just about $3 billion and no craniya preno. Several monies are being wasted. Our Ghana ha yehu baby I am fanfa. Edianesi ya that sorry ya Bank of Ghana 60.22 billion Ghana cedis wasted in 2022. Just like that. 87.9. And this Sikaya Yakan Mr. President, here, the personal cost. One more share on Facebook page. You're spending over 1 billion personal cost. Bank of Ghana. This is the video. I tell you, watch it. Expenditure Bank of Ghana. I incur several of them among for bisa. And now I know what say foreign and domestic travel thousands of Ghana cedis. I monitor vehicle maintenance and running. Motor vehicle maintenance and running. Over 1.4 billion. A Twitter Land Cruiser. Mako more than 70. Are they just maintenance, motor maintenance, running? Said yes, some engine, yes, some boat and not car. Bank of Ghana car cry the engine cranks and yes, son. Yes, some oil, yes, sun yama, and these cars are bought brand new. How do we manage on some of these things, Nana? Director's fee, auditor's remuneration, banking supervision expenses, almost 4 billion within a year. high costs ninja and air coso. We are the cleanup exercise. I mean, already we spent the finance minister Baso. We spent more than 22 billion Ghana cedis, you know, with extra supervision cost over 350 million Ghana cedis. Nana do dan kwa kufado wastages ewo memu. How do we control saniyama we nyina abra yebetimi ahwe say these Ufa Auditor General's reporter, the last time we checked, more than 20 million Ghana cedis wasted. And every year, na niyama essay, niye wasting niyama. Mr. President, apart from Sanyama Wayna, Namino Woka say, Oko Port, a whole of this year, Casa Hodwa, any duty Hodwa, Manfochas or Muko Clear, Maniama, goods and services our port. And Yama Wonti, man for Crankaniama Magana Beam. You promise Ghana for say no. Taxes are who be. Sikano Ghana Sikano, and uniform Yami Ahudwo. So measure say I will control and abolish some taxes be a nuisance taxes are and fan for swambre of my Ghana. Why? Because Sikawa Ghana ha, ne Sikana wa Ghana hano, and Kofi be bottom and unifa. Look at some of these wastages. Yakan wasabing. And in tea. We will abolish most taxes. Said ya beya Ghana nino, ya be channel the money to the right area. Na boa mi eti menyeska. Mr. President, you promise Ghanaians.
The person me boa ankran kwadwuma for. Na to bebrea. Ya je ye wudi ade ya no. E ba betwemu nyina. Ma hyase e twetwemu bako.
Watchem bako and na yedi bebre eka ho bako.
87.
I will cut down and abolish import duty taxes. Ahudwo bebre nana ahead of election.
We're going to abolish import duty on manufacturing equipment. We're going to take up the VAT on financial services. All of this to create the conditions for enterprise and for businesses to be competitive and to be able to function and grow and create jobs and bring about higher and higher levels.
Mr. President, import duty on manufacturing taxes ahudwa ye manufacture niema ahudwa wo my Ghana mu, and now it is so surprising to know to say the electricity bill of Z Natural Mineral Water Bibini Blackman 2015-2016 was around 22,000 Ghana cedis. And now he is paying more than 250 million, 50,000 Ghana cedis, about 2.3 billion. Over 400 workers, just about 5.
At least let me go to Nipa 435
as workers.
Yeah, including all the staff.
She say
everywhere. Yes, they are not working. They say me too on me who say maintenance na in 2024 we answer my juma na say be who policy be ba for 2024 e be a people be take over near when the policy be boy because one shey now continue business like this situation masa you can never survive.
You can never survive. Na na dan kwakofuado. The expected hope of Ghanaians, our businessmen, say, come and restore the hope. After light, doom so hard, Ghana for businesses. Expectation was that, oh, another than Kwako capitalist, Obebuama Ghana for to imagine our nine so. Yes, obedient to me and Casa COVID and harding. But the question is that most countries are, and they are taking a pragmatic measures to say, Mapa na yam famwa yan kofo no munyina wo na so back ganana e die na wodi gu akwam. Cost of doing businesses is getting out of hand. Wastages e wo my Ghana sika e da so anam framem Senya Bank of Ghana and wo di Ghana sika e hye ties billions of cedis e tugu montre so na ya assembly bi na SSK ya assembly na SSK na ya ministry bi na SSK. All these things are being watched and monitored without doing anything. Oh, Mr. President, businessmen car import one of crackers at the ball my Ghana. Executive Car Dealers Association. One Kasamazi, a big time MPP supporter. So Kofi, we are out of business for now.
The other guys at Amesi, what I say, because them are for problem. I was better than you. What do you mean? What do you mean? I got your cousin for now. If you don't know what now, some of the that's over here in someone warfare. Oh, baby, I know maybe. I didn't know I didn't ask you to do because cars and you say zero. And so I didn't go to car would say, oh, yes, sir. Ghana 419 number one bomb more thing. My young walk for, but you have boy as you got over my car about say, yes, well, poor bad, different type bad, you cannot turn all the war. And you are sitting about so many. Now, what the corporate association company, 100,000, you know. The same media say that the US visa now for us to be here to 100,000.
Nana, for almost 8 years, there were more than 6 years. You are entering into your last 2 years term. Say near man to me answer sana na now kotrefie as it is. Said the near metia. They are not gonna for the Bekao, especially businessmen. I need that's what say a certain NDC buy. I did doom so beku businesses. John Dramani Mahama. In all that, I know more person or more pamono. At the prior plan to Manico. Nanado Danko Akofado, a certain Nanado Danko Akofado. Then, now the president Nanado Danko Akofado. Nana, you have a Kosoa the COVID I excuse. Now you saw the Ghana for now what call I'm a Ghanaian businessman. I am worse off than before, and posterity will never forgive you. You Ghana for BBC say what happened? Says yeah, you jai kanwa ekosa after COVID, after Ukraine, Russia war near the admin now. In Shisha, ya buy near the Ghana businesses. Ghana for that's what we are hearing money is being wasted. We are hearing Sikam Kofo Seno. We are hearing money and Kofo Tugu, all because people just don't care. Mr. President, Ghana for business said no, this cannot happen under your administration. Yet you crow emu, I'm a Kumasi businessman. At two shops for 1 week, another than Kwakufado by here. Regional tour, Ewo Chrome, how you never spoke to them. Aboso Kai, Gutafo, several people are continuing to talk. Cancer, we are dying. Taxes, everything. Says here, port, Ukowa, and why is that in some shame? The last time I counted, minya 26 taxes on one car Obekle. Around Tony upon Guta president. I said no, Kofi, we are dying.
Finance Minister Kase Enemetenia, Rebecca from the perspective for now the beer was seeing or near Nebia Obiti Ejina. And when we come to the actual, the reality on the ground, Nema and society, Empire and I have what everybody do mobile, many America. Because the Kutaya be a Jumanina, it's a Mubemi and Akabeba Kutai. The Canadian or Tinami and Sano, Obitina Krabako, Besta and Sanamia, Oposia, I and Adum, and my name let me have a drum with me. There no Krabaku, you know, already was free market in the Mukra. And no one that said, Senior, Adam better on a no Kataka for say, or one of the house, you know. Sanko Funing in a free edgeman. It's really a challenging time for businesses.
Mr. President, and pay our coin and say Ghanaian businessmen egususu obianya na adwen so betie wo mo. We are hearing wastages of Sikawodwa ye tugu montene so from Bank of Ghana out Sikaw over 60.22 million a billion. Ayatu agu 2022 project ahodo ese this guy businesses ahodo wo kroma nyina agusu esu tikaya di repair car Land Cruisers ahodo etimi to over 70 cars saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa wɔ kura yi mu yɛaka yɛ ano atom nea yɛ dii ɛna taxes ne egu so a yɛde mene Ghana businessmen businesses akɛseɛ mpanimfoɔ twotwo wura a na wɔ sika ɛyɛ business nyinaa they are folding up. The last time Swame magazine Mr. Daddy was Kofi mitimi de 80 articulated tracks within a year and I'm a deba cream from 2022 besine min kraka ba kumpu. I have folded up, I've closed my businesses all because the environment is terrible.
In the value card, doesn't mean good 22 cities. When you trade 2 cities, now the market makes it easy in India. Make you about for refund and make you for refund. If you're near man, why you come to Omama 6 cities, my year. Are you Juma? Then could do them to Ali. You buy you declare some percentage to be a government will be okay. And this is what we have been doing for all this while. It's like your president going negotiation. Oma your name is a country that are no a commission. And
these are businessmen and a didi and man nipa binumudi ewa montene so. Everybody is folding up. Interest rates is on the high. Ascendancy. Inflation. Everything thrown out of gear. Yes, Yebeka say force majeure. The COVID nisani many na obi antimi out of it. But countries CC nyina has started restore back. Putting measures together. Say niyama betimi agina ne naso. Ye de ye da so aguso ebokwadu say na covid abra ye guso say sika hodo atu sika gumonten so. Na na do da kwa akofo your ministers are ese boa etena se adwe wo man obi a na epe president adi e wo man Ghana mu. Ene ye hwe Ghana ene e kwa amnem. Otiko koso be ka kiro say obi ani ho a wato aba e de ama any of your appointees eyewo na Ghana foto abama wo ibirum de abufo to abeti ajo mahama kom ne ani bre na ede to abeti ano na na do dan kwa akofo adwe watch out na Ghana fo amfa kom ne ani bre anto abenti awo anopa ma me fast da man sroma creation before we hene be kasa na me de atwa to no wona eframentoma anytime I address the president my clothes are wear by kankatesi in sroma creation 0248 7575 48 or Kumasi St. Family Chapel. Bema wata the fe wedding outdooring you program bia okubiano just talk to Nsema Creation and pay what you cost so you boy mu asichia
Ghana for to abama na adudan kwakufu de ya nto amani fa ka ho biara 2 minu edi ma no wachiche bia ma obiara eti ka hunu se wo mu a wachiche ama obi ani ho a ye de 2 minu ma no ka ho Edmenana no wonim se me no free nipa atu dodo no aye nimbra me ni wo adam no ne free fa no 77 ansa na wo sa ba me bo ana me bo a nana e champion bo tata wo ba London nyame no na nam ne kodwe nyantachi no ansa na wo sa ba ya mo ba be gina biewa ansa ya sa ba ya ne woti he abroche ba ya me lawyer no me no ne ko ni nyina eni akwa abapim ne enu aso nkrofo be ka kire so won po asem enso wa anyi antum wo ka se da bi se dem sine ne tie de ntesa me de kakra ne se me de futupa nam de be ma wo de Ghana fo pani adwuma de pani ayahwe de pani nkoso enu a ne ye hwehwe ye to aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na atibi kompanyimfo no John Mahama or catchers are by the comnia before na toye. As I call another also catchers a comnia before so on so banwanya the comnia before Bessa to who him there. The word Drewum Pesica review and T says a Kuhuna Jumani. A dean Kwan says a whoop. The Bell Diva Comusa and Passable Mampanibi by near friend and out to or Baba Ye Ghana year.
Nana, good morning. Debbie, so that was Mr. President address. Yes. Jirisa president here.
Well,
Ghana Fonso. Rebecca, Debbie. Here beside where did we get it wrong?
Kofi, very simple. I think that Mr. President is sleeping on his job. That is the only thing I can say.
Yo.
To send you some pine money other ministers or the Mosisi and 9. It is a direct implication say Nanado under his watch is or share all these people are feeling no. Momudi Nanada
okay.
And that is why he's sleeping on this job.
Anopay cash out.
Yes, Kofi.
Ati for omuntu na me draw. Na omo wini kakra.
Many can family and 2 months search because as a boy no mood giant.
And if we nyan to ya cash out no ato. Star 439 hash. Na no obi so on your wato ba ko pe. Na no obi send me message. Obi subu afu. Obi message odi abre me na just ma stressa o say last week I played the allow cash on your friend allow cash kra 5 times but nothing on my phone. Sure. Check this number if not true you but your number now what to know and me who baby crocra what to call it doesn't come to me. Yes. My system no see you any number. National Lottery Authority any Akoma FM any akambo mu a ye pese ye reward and listeners enti woto a minimba bia wo number no kra no yes enti de media ne say my draw no na nyame ya wadom na esiu so na wini a no wini usu no obi so ato 1 pe wa wini je bi wato ma me he
mato sisi ya se masaso akobiem
hey uza ajebo na the ball na obi win o dial star 439 hash no select option 6 and one no into to sesi a na jebi me pe eye car tie bi ma pa mi nya bi sir ti aropa obi beti ma boa me a me pe o mo organizer for the binim car no tie 195 7014
room 14
at the tire me penti obi a we have organizer utie me a wo bi no me either 4 set ni nyina na 2 set kra I don't think so will be
oh sir
195 70 14 enti obi a wo eye sa me pe nice one
oh okay
eye 4 set na 2 kra 195 70 14 and I say 205 70 14 205 in the ho dey pa enye common 205 70 14 any of this star wa wo bia we organizer wo tie mi no but then na friend number we 0244 72 40 87 0244 72 40 87 or friend me it has already be brem me wo Akoma FM ha ana say o friend me a meba na ya ye ho adwuma 195 70 14 and I say 205 70 14 uobia fre
okay
0244 70 40 87 me pe obi nkwa
yes
either 4 set na I say 2 set and pe 1 ties bia
go fit me matu me draw na wi
what told the na wi what to me you know
misro eya na wa yes na be ya
right
me enya 200 Ghana bi dia
my yenwie doctor
etime 5 Ghana
ai my yenwie doctor mensa na fe yemfa yen star nkomo ne ntoso ai because for yemfa Sidama Provident Health Care your most reliable health center ewo my Ghana mu ene Asante manta mu patcho ye de 1 month asi ho ye free screening ediama free September 1st ekosini 31st and upon on so kosi said the last person be commercial swanse opposite St. Teresa's Catholic Church na your tramodin machines ahodo cardiovascular monitor microcirculation breast cancer monitor body organs and niam ahodo bebreo wa ehwe ni peduanim na ama wakwanya na yetimi so etwiti wo se bi adwenu na emu enhyeda enyina so na say spinal cord asthma why pem prostate and malaria ni peduani akwa bia touchma no mobile na furniture Provident Health Care number near 0248 42 2864 0248 422864 na yetimi so aboa na bibia akoso but all bow down so a Empire super concrete block and quality roofing sheet your blocks na type bia 6 inches 5 inches sounds near your hollow blocks and a solid blocks no so ho your road cave your tiles blocks so ho your pavement blocks and your machines are your blocks are within 30 minutes between over 2,000 nti dodo bi a we here bia no wo de bomode na fo di kire eye empa so e na yentwa ye won chance nso e de bodan so ye bebo so kama kama e de amam ba bia wo bia no wo de frɛ udu santase apri ofa ye obebu oba be pona ye wonsu mu ha 0271 144444 0271 144444 na 0208 396424 ma yene Dr. Mensa aso ye ni nkombo na yehwe apom de agya be ma bibi abokɔ de
adom pa na nso e
adom na doctor ho ye
adom pa no ho den papa twen anya asem ketwa
Dr. Mensa
onyame adom ti serious pa yeda atiefo nyina ase e de ba Dr. Mensa aso ye so embra Kofi mini nkan enchia madi nkan ka cho se BEC for no etwe a me baka ho nti mini nkan chia omo ewo SDA school ewo 3 months JHS no omo so etwe nti yada achechefo ho nyina se ene master edu berima ase pa obo adwumaso edu Abraham master nyame nshaw PTA for amabafo fo nyame nso enhyamo titu chairman ora akwasi adom oton spare parts titu engine ewo new road wa bra Kofi o say am famra o say am famra oton spare parts titu engine pa
I see
any Benz nti o say
Benz won am
sa nti o say say o Benz o say me fan kra we kra ma doctor say o Benz bia how engine any dafa me famra enokre ni
me o Benz kama
sa ora de we de wasuma ora dom ona APTA chairman na me nsha no pa bra Kofi unim one say ye madin kan cho say ye metrase abra ye mono ma Dr. Mensa entimi nyedin enchew madin kan de ani ahu ene de aso ate eno na ye ka ho asem efise ewiase wo de wunim ena wo ka enye de wuhu ne ye eno de eba ne say eyadanse krumu eninti da no woye nipa onyame abo na wo ye obi a yawo oba ka de wunim ne ka de wate eno ne ka ne say oye dance ni trodo eninti ye be chance say e de ma yewura Dr. Mensa ana Dr. Wonder de yenim efa doctor ho pa berima doctor eno na ye ka ho asem madin kan cho say Dr. Mensa yare biara ni wa Dr. Mensa ana Dr. Wonder entminsa yare a doctor entminsa sabi ayo bi a sabi oya achacha oyemum said bra Kofi dan o kan no se bi kure bedrum rebi na nyame be ma doctor sa ne bia obenya sa adom no enya nwanwa doctor betimi enya sa adom no if you said dan da okonu nkutodwa mu a o se ni nyankopon se onyame ema ne da yeso akese pa na yare sa o sa no onyame emoa no na ontimi nkonanim eninti na doctor yato ni din Dr. Wonder no 2016 my doctor best stroke herbal clinic best stroke herbal clinic ayede ma Dr. Mensa eye stroke pa obi o sa stroke pa 2016 Dr. Mensa ne de ma no ye ntwa ntroda na word fe aniti ya kan cho say yare biara how no bomodin say obeba Dr. Mensa asoye na anase wafre Dr. Mensa no waka wo how bia ache Dr. Mensa ye crowd say yare bia how bia no onyame nam so ishiala obesa yare no ama ho ato bra Kofi madin kan cho say enam de ye hu ene edi hu adanse enti mesisa wo nom nsa pa oba atonsam ntintan sabi onum wi cigarette ayedin ama no heron enu bone aye kan bra Kofi enu ansa obefre Dr. Mensa enu kreni we sa adrowe unya bi wo ba bia apart from Dr. Mensa asoye so ono na nyankopon edisa nu bra no ene ahama no ama no se obi a onum nsa na wo pese obenum nsa opese ojai insanom no enu kreni de ye kan enye simple sa nanso se Dr. Mensa oba na soye ana wo fre Dr. Mensa na wo ka chene se ukunu oyere oba ana oyere bi
ɛde ɔhaw ɛyɛ cigarette heroin cocaine wii ɛnom ɛne nsanom ɛda no so a meka kyerɛw wofrɛ Dr. Mensa bɔkɔɔ wokyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ Dr. Mensa ayɛ krado sɛ ɔde aduro ɛne nubena ɛka ɛkwan biara so ɛne nan pɛpɛɛpɛ aduro no de akyiri ɛyɛ nkruma bra nkruma ɛne nkateɛ sɛ Dr. Mensa ɛde saa aduro yi ma wa hwɛ yie no amfa nkruma ɛne nkateɛ anka nipa na no obi ɔnom nsa memfa nkruma ne nkateɛ nka na no
okay
efisɛ wanhwɛ yi a wobɛka sɛ aduro no anya adwuma na emu no woba anaasɛ wo nsa ka aduro no a bɔmmɔden sɛ nhyehyɛ yɛde ma no ɛno na wobɛdi soɔ Dr. Mensa aso yɛyɛ delivery enti wodia wopa akwadaa no a ɔde adubɔne aka na no memfa ne mma na emom no hwɛ hunu sɛ aduro no a wode gu na di aduane no adie no ɔnhunu na de hia ne sɛ aduro no bibia kɔ ne yam ana bɛka na no ɛka na no pɛ meka kyerɛ ɔbra sɛ dede bia meka no nsa no ɛbɛyɛ ne nyan nsa no bɛbɔn no wi no bɛyɛ ne nyan ɛbɛbɔn no baabi a wi pampan wɔ no akwadaa no ɔnkɔ bio baabi a nsa pampan wɔ no ukunu no ɔnkɔ bio bɔmmɔden mesi sɔhwɛ na wobɛhu sɛ enuro ɛwɔ baabi Dr. Mensa nkoa ne obi a onyame ama ne saa akyɛdeɛ no ɛne saa nimdeɛ no mesi sa wobɛn nom nsa obɛn nom wi paa mesi bɔmmɔden sa wobɛfrɛ Dr. Mensa ebia na wuti kam na wusi fam gye na homatofo yi ɛna nɔpa Dr. Mensa nkasa ɛkyerɛ se ɛwɔ kotwi Guinness Depot ɛhɔ a ɛwɔ na doctor ɛkyerɛ se enti gye na homatofo yi 0244 921269 0244 921269 ana 0271173551 Fred Dr. Mensa neka wo hawo no amane nyina kyerɛ doctor hwɛ retentive memory adura doctor de kan kwada na emo madwum ɛyɛ fine
BC for no obi osua de
oh bra BC for na atwe me ba ye na meka ho asɛm yi sɛ oba bi hwɛ bia bra Kofi de nyansa obe Fred doctor enka achi
yeah
akadako ene twam ombewie fiara meka cho so de aduro no kan akwada na ebema akora no adwene no ba bia adako duru bia no ebenyane ebesori eye do hwere nan pepepe ba bia akora na refie wo bia no ese sori se impo uye pani na se uti asam na refi ye kase ka asam bi na se urefi a bomode ansa ubenya sa retentive memory no ebi afi Dr. Mensa aso eye doctor eye normal kese Doctor Edinkan aka cho se 2016 no enkwada no twai na 2023 we opese enkwada no twa ese edabia aka afi bia aka no ye bompa ye se 2023 enkwada no afi ebeye omonso afi enukure ni bomode ansa obefre Dr. Mensa na no Dr. Mensa adinkomo enne ukwada Dr. chance ahwe wona wafa afuro obi a ope ye fonde awo edrum me bia nipa se onyame ne maba nanso me pese me ka cho se onyame ede nam nipa so ene maba onyame de nam nipa so ene sayare enti wo a uhia ye fonde wo a uhia nyinsan wo a nyinsan a wo pese wo fa ho fa oba wo awo mrel ye no de nyansa obefre Dr. Mensa ene ukuada Dr. chance ewo kotwi Guinness Depot ha edrum me bia yesi nkwada bi o mu ye nsuo ba bra Kofi doctor se men kan che obi asente saa akoda bia ni wa yawo na oye nsuo ba eye yare na wo ye fununum enti bra Dr. Mensa aso ye na onfa duro ani nubra enkan na bema akoda no nsuo ba wa adwene yo se na nka oba be na saasi so no enya de beba ne sabiu ese no matimi dane efise enua na onyame de sayare ode amanipa sayare enu bi no ode adom Dr. Mensa enti bomode ansa obeba Dr. Mensa aso ye ene eye ukuada Dr. Chana konya kasenum ewo Guinness Depot ukuada ne yawada bia yewura Dr. Mensa aye na adwene se ohwe enkwada free bonto eninti obabia eyare se ne ti na abu atom se de eka no se akwada no ontimi nante akwada no entimi nkasa bomodian se ene ukuada se de meka no oba de yan se odo obejo card ojo card ene doctor chance konanim fa akwada no ko che doctor na onyame nam doctor so enukure ni ɔbɛyɛ nsɛnkyerɛnne ne anwanwadeɛ ama wo nso ho atɔ Dr. Mensa number ne nie gye na baabi a wowɔ biara no ɛnokure ni watoa Dr. Mensa anaasɛ wofrɛ no a delivery no yɛyɛ wontimi ma a aburokye kura na awo a aduro no etwa nsuo etwa po Dr. Mensa ɛbɛyɛ delivery kama na yɛde abrɛw baabi a wɔ biara na wo nsa ka aduro no na wafrɛ Dr. Mensa ɛwɔ na homa tofo yi 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 12 69 ana 027 11 73 551 Mr. Bomodin so obefre Dr. Mensa ɛdan bi abenya ho no hwɛ ne number no gu ne frewura no kora ɛbɛyɛ ne dɛ sɛ watwɛ Dr. Mensa ne number agu ne down onyame nhyira obi bia bra Kofi.
Thank you Medasepa abusanfo high Akoma 87.9 FM Dr. Mensa ashe ena yekoye no ye na ye ho na afi ye mfiri ye nkomo twetwe ase
mudi be bia na makoto blocks na mudi siden hwe blocks ya mesifo edi siden ni nyina afrofro ye tumfo mo ntie meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete Product for so ye wo monema cement eco blocks mu ye de machine ai na ye bibia machine na mix mortar no machine na twa blocks no na wi ahye ne kama ana ne size ne so de ye accurate over 6 inches 5 inches and I say over 5 hollow blocks 6 hollow blocks pavement blocks road cave and I say tiles blocks ubenya bi obi esidan ma ka che ne say onko Empower Super Concrete Product aseye e ho no mo blocks no eye papa Empower roofing fo a e de chance papa ye de bodan so abadwa so no wo mo kroya ana kofa blocks papa pai e de aba ahoto so ne say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu ya ne Empower roofing e di enhwane mu frɛ e was 0271 144444 and I say 0208 396424 Empower Super Concrete Product blocks papa pa efie
Would you decline? Not me enjoy very if you have kakra. Show wallpapers, any curtain blinds or dear design in the hall and in the rooms. Wash a shack designer while you form hall. Ne fair.
I know yet 3D epoxy design. Okay, Miss Row, baby, free Alaska Star Enterprise. Wallpapers, window blinds, different colors and sizes. Over more than 350 different designs. Or designer as a 3D, 5D, any 8D moral designs in Ghana hanyina Alaska pet or man for Timiko to do a part on wo chemical said treatment eco see designs nya na Joshua wa say asasu e meton na nsuo wase o me kai pa as a clay bisa etina enchenchene wa wo no ho nyina tantantan na ba no say me frɛ Alaska Star Enterprise and mo de chemical e be treat ye e de 3D epoxy and wallpapers e be design ya had my fefenti enya nyamesunu kra de wo mu a akamede gin kofo gas yo na one more important Alaska Star Enterprise Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite Hwa Accra so Tiptoe Lane opposite Circle Mall and Wakanshi NS Kamisidano mu Ebene MTTD from 0200-281-087 and 0248-315-258
87.9 Kumasi.
Right, I'm for higher Akoma 87.9 FM Yamamunyina Kwaba. We Ghana Akoma discussion ye frase Sabre Kozise Nundubebo, we're going to be with you and you're part of the discussion by joining on Facebook page. You share the video, you like the page, now no comment at the Atoso. Isaac Chebrobe a finance lecturer at Kumasi Technical University. Question for Rajaman, a former MC Obwase. Mr. Chebrobe, good morning.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nyamiadom. Wabetna hache.
We are Diana.
Me Aduana ni. Me mama Aduana and Papa Aduana.
Hey. Ubogumbe no pay. Oh, Aduana funky and Tamu.
Where's the other party if you have a different?
Miss Mammy Aduana and Papa Aduana.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I see. Oh, I see. So you had Diana need the Oh, sir. I see.
87.9
Kukufu Chiame. Our Chiame, 1992 and a Chiame, if I na Quabrenti. Oh, I see. And the Odina there and an ampofu. And you are not near.
Maybe I disagree at one point. No, I agree.
Yeah, disagree. And then so
it is not always bad. Disagreements are not always bad.
You are fortunate to be here when I was addressing the president. Let me now take Mr. President address.
Yo, many of that say. And come on, baby, I'll pay, and I will emphasize it. And I'm not going to fault you on that.
Okay.
We are no akokofabam. Oh, you must say. Russian war in Ukraine by COVID-19 by.
But other countries are making measures to mitigate their members.
And okay. Medim komo ye dia.
Yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Say on my woman. Na ususu dia. A chere o living standard said the amount for asitrem esitie o sika emudro esitie no o share inflation of 42.5% as at June because after in July the beba obi eni ho a obetimi aka e de abo ho asafo hene say e papa the tosubi say o lending rate ne o policy rate na o policy rate enam 30% abra wo be fa no 25%.
Yeah.
Na o twe call for mo kokodu 13.5%. Sometimes na ho nti I don't want to go back too much because we have to look forward what you say. But the facts they say obefa policy rate 25.5%. Or they drive on down up to 13.5%. And son to range them no buy a day baby do 30% here woman. The same way in a lending rate average 32%. And obefa no.
Yeah.
Or drive on down up to average 20.6%.
Yeah.
And son to range them by a year over 35%, heading to 40%. Your growth rate, the same thing, 3.4%. On over final, at range them or register average 7%. Now to range them by a conform as low as 0.5%. Year a bar say a recover 2021 growth no epic 5.4%. Kofi and Twata no Jerry Mamo Russia war in Ukraine a buy. Last year you registered 3.1%. This year first quarter 4.2%. So enunti ade no efro nesane. Efro nesane. Na enukure pan so ewo mu ne se sa wo hwe susudi a ye de hwe oman no ne bobre ne ne gina be ene ne bibia e ka ho ade a me gina ho a mintimi sekire no enka se ekofom abra atrencham emaye wo de toto de obefa na NDC pen so a eye oman no ye ka ye de.
Okay.
Except for public debt level. No. All the economic fundamentals ningina. Aturencham mine. Not body moise. Nakofo. the SSA a costra and a year, maybe to say growth and so na pidden when a cost. San and Fonino at year. What I say. Even exchange rate depreciation. Papa Mahama, a free so record only that year 18%. Adudan kwa kufuado before Sato Yerencham Navan, not all pretty less than 8%. Such I say. Even so Oshe the year 2022 I want you to just say a first Casamu many Freddy na a yak ni hahane titru a fat or mino ye see the nahmoding or ne amanoni sika a kansi no say 7 cities 50 pesos 7 cities 40 pesos to $1 in July. Not by September, October, November. Now 15. I mean, say BBS. And a BBS ya or being to me managing exchange rates. A bit depreciating less than 8%. The first time. All of a sudden and spiky the way I spiky. So Yanunti, yes, at Renchavono, yes, and Yahunsun so. Yes. You're bidding come off a Bank of Ghana situation.
Yeah.
And if you look at other countries' central banks, they're also recording losses. I am not saying say will be a record of loss into the loss no justified. A just palatable. And yet desa. So what I say. Nanso so say say kofom. Ujina bie no ha wo ho na obia de eye kama emma ye hu se wo de omo ho modern kra na wo hwe wo gina bie na wo hwe amaman ye ka ho so gina bie no omo so no kra ni omo bond ye kan say tin compass as your friend can say and tin compa nkontin pa aha omo bon nkontin pa na che say wo hunu say BBS so ye wo man mu and ye hunu say London it's now 6.5 years.
Okay.
I think said demonstration or more said demonstrate on cost of living. No, it's 6.5 years by be that. Cost of living. The inflation now a year around 1%. No. They say it's over 10%. Just imagine what the one kasaf when you said ye will be an inflation rate of 1.2, 1.3. Now we're hitting over 10%. And I have it here. Oko shop, oko kokoto adie. Titru eduane. Oko da ko for cooking oil now so family and science that we bet me afabako. Germany, the story was not different. So, Britain, London demonstration, if you get to Paris, big demonstration, if you get to Germany, demonstrations, almost all the European countries, cost of living, demonstration in yes, say, say the demonstration, on cost of living. Musika, a crown, and Toshi, say a Toby big crowns, so crowns. These are stark realities. What you say? Adia we say now in the midst of things, two things happened. One, and say, ye said in a home dinner air conform, and it said ye see Emma Yeni honey. And o man so ye ka ye die no said ye esi apagya no yen to na mo bi said ye be ya enema betimi abrase kakra enti when your matter you were an ye drive on sa anka even at the rencham no emra no nanka yɛno no atumi aboa yɛ paa mebakyɛ what you say good now ɛboa reserves no then number 2 still in the midst of the crisis and government introduce gold for oil policy okay a man for bet me argue and counter argue about gold for oil policy, but the fact still remains say maybe Kwame Brobe and gold for oil policy a buy fuel costs at the pump no me kokoto fango e pumpa baby a die kokodrie a year 23 Ghana cedis per liter 24 say me kokodru na me kokoto the 13 and now 12.5 and now 11.7 and now 11.9 me who say yes say near penal but kumujua kakra dey aba so exchange rate and I mean no can once from February all the way to end of June, see did not depreciated by 1.84%. As against the ACA Tumerica. ABM Abanwe and now so say adding, but as a so timinya a more free IMF. So the announcement of the IMF policy and as a decision. No, so obviously, a dealing with a dear bakwa potokasam ye freno speculation. Say utien year JP Morgan's Chase investment firm or more America, and of course they have other offices around the globe. One must say Ghana see this time on him no. It was undervalued by 15% plus. The major driver of that undervaluation was because of speculation.
Aduanaba kotrane ne Forest Bureau no kokotro. Oh, cedi no to the dollar 9 cedis.
No be reacting 9 cedis. And the next time what they took 10, not be reacting.
Yeah.
So it looks like the second speculative market, na so idea I am more sika no na holding. Now you announce an IMF policy. Now if your man for I relax it, what's happening? Then in record time, no one your staff level agreement. Oh, and yeah, Ghana for almost 2 and more said the bear almost ever okay. Then our expectation is by March, not across a March, but there was still information say common air coso. IMF with me approval. And May or approval. The point I want to establish is this. Say, Ninsess what to say. Yamin Fangwachri, Aduanaba ka aquaquasha gota. Na yenya macho men bears in Sia Oma appear on the scene say ye baba buane ukano ya eden ya pejani ya babi sikwem enti your conversation with the IMF all the way up to November last year na etwaso ba this year na final approval buy $600 million abba se uma be assessment and now it's almost very clear. So by November, December, another $600 million. So you could see, sir, these are hard decisions. Abana take it just to ensure, say, baby, you could because no shit. Now IMF engagement is one of the key issues are necessary by dealing with the level of public debt. Mano yeka baby akwakwakudru 575 billion Ghana cedis. You ask yourself, say, what are the components? But whatever it is, key issues. One, sa kano ebebe da ho no emu quarter if you mind kasa ye state institutions. State institutions, quarter of it, 25% of our public debt, it's coming from state institutions. We have banking sector, debt, as I say, recover. Of course, you hear updated information on friends say receivers, no, because the receivers no magic can be. I mean, the last time I checked, I think was around they say 1.2 or 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. I say to me update because the whole idea is that and yes, I and Ghana what you say. Name na Bano Bobusia Eddie Chia Womo and Komisika Ebeshe. See Jama banks in Eguguya. 4.6 million depositors plus over 870,000 what friends say investment clients. So Kamboman is over 5 million deposited and investors.
So from where you said you think the picture is not as we're talking about. The president has done something?
No, I'm making a point.
Okay.
I'm making a point. When I said hard decisions. And then again, IMF decision, no. Akoko here say, as I say, baby, I hear kana kokudro no. Yetimi ye enhyehyɛ bi na ɛyɛ na ɛba fam. Na you know, any day of friend is saying, debt restructuring ɛbae. The issue about your debt restructuring, pension funds, I don't think this animal wing an idea. But these are hard decisions. Look at Bank of Ghana loss. It's also coming, one, because of debt exchange program, two, because of exchange rate, problems. So what you say? And some chronoa and a buan cantam will be, but when two and more, although painful, because any day, any time, I may who say pensioner be aquaquatina Minister of Finance, na or Shenisika, Finance Minister M. Fenisika, no. My heart was as a and so these are some of the painful decisions I make us go through. It is to restore what friend is saying debt sustainability. What you say? Any instant, and you say your boy and na name one take it difficult decisions we say and you're not only ready say person or minor and Sakraya so Sakra was sick as Simon and Yama Kuyeno. Not just 1% obey. So the bottom line, and they say now he grew under COVID 0.5. Say Yababi grew last year 3.1. Now inflation hit 54.1.
Okay.
Say 42.5.
Wrap up on that.
I mean, yeah. So now your interest rate was almost 38, 37, sometimes even 40%. Say we are hovering around 35%. The exchange rate I have said from February is around, depreciation is around 1.84%. Enti babia ye ko heti no yahwase a ye ba efom kakran ye growth no so ahase no so piki kakra.
Okay.
The SSA ye ne say ye begina ye na so if we say a crew da obanai na say where mia.
Okay.
Na twa de nan.
Thank you. Mazuba mrem.
So ebe ne ya.
Okay.
Enso so no
Zuba.
Hia so be mia.
Okay.
Ebe ne ya mum nenso ye ne de ahoto.
Thank you. Zuba mamintio.
Kofi mamintio. What if na mche this for amaje me omutie nyina titu ne ye ba no dani. You are na kwesi. On the regional executive, the regional secretary, organizers, the youth organizers, whom you know, mobile Juma Swans, say the Juma Mubono. me did say NDC by already. I see a time when here. One bit me day. It's just also papa be Eddie. First question. Intro ucha kasa bebre. What you say? Ucha intro kasa bebre. Eddie empa ne war Russia ne Ukraine and impact on your economy. Pese me hu. Bisano manaza. Eddie and
oh yeah, I think you can assist.
Eddie and the war Russia ne Ukraine impact Ghana economy direct.
World shipping. World shipping accounted for 80% according to UNTAC. Okay, Russian firms alone own 2,000 out of the 44,000 cargo vessels in the world. So 4.5%. So only key players. Sure. Unim say
idea impact here. Was it shipping? Was it what shipping? And how my me back. No. That be one
question me here no. One man land here.
Me thesis. Me idea e wa Russia and Ukraine impact on economy. Was it world shipping?
Yes.
And how my figure say omu contribute to about 80%. Unscientific though, I'll disprove that. Unscientific. What is about 80%? I'll take that one and deal with it. It is one moment who says shipping, and because me person who items, you know.
Oh, and let me mention the items.
And yet you is
shipping. Shipping is one.
Shipping.
Two. A year. Oil. Oil.
Next one.
3. A year. Cereals, especially
cereals,
flour and those things.
Flour, wheat, maize.
Yeah, they are careful. Russia maize,
iron rods,
rods.
Yeah.
Oh, there's steel. Yeah. These are the items.
And ye crafty ho e de bagana.
I say ye crafty ho. Wo hwe omo ankasa play.
Me person me hu de e wo ho a e impact ye direct. Because I want to address this Russia Ukraine problem once and for all.
Don't me address it once and for all this way.
Oh,
the issue is this.
Me person me hu no ade na matimi measure its impact.
En komo na ye die no. Ye can global issue.
There be can Ghana economy, Mr. President. One man may address U.S. Secretary General or address Ghana President, and one may a litany of problems hinge on what is taking place in Russia. One may a litany of problems hinge on what is taking place in Russia and Ukraine and COVID. What you say now? Russia for almost bread to the extent that Russian ambassador called Ghana and making statement say Ghana should not blame Russia for their problems, but you keep blaming Russia. To me, person who say Russia ho yeji manche, yeji kwadu, and then yeji ho ama, and wamame items of list there impacted directly on Ghana economy. There be one my shipping,
fertilizer,
one my oil, fertilizer.
Yeah.
Very good. And the debut items in the old castle boba memorable.
Yeah.
What can shipping? What can oil? What can cereals? What can steel? What can fertilizer? Acadian.
Flour.
So
what can okay. It's many no man almost see now no man a few was yanning now. On so much to add.
I can oil
Oil Ghana. Check. From records, major countries are buying oil. Yaji oil fuel, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Nigeria. Obim proving me Russian company or the oil in Ghana with documents, especially under this regime. And that's first one. Second one. Ghana, your major trading partners, and to China, by near UK.
Yeah.
Into your major trading partners,
Europe.
UK,
UK, Germany,
Germany, Turkey. Currently, major trading partners, maybe a shipping lines I can see no free ban. Germany, UK, Turkey, China, Thailand.
Yeah.
Thailand, Thailand. To some extent, Japan.
Korea and
South Korea. Russia ship Bahadabe. Ntianozo Omubwa. Serious, yeah, okay. And money gains, about 75% of them from Asia. Near Ghana. About 15% from Europe. The rest is from within Africa. Niger, Burkina, Guinea. Only a firm Bruno Cassania de Bar. Russia broke anyhow, Bia because Russia for Bre Bube or Bois. Russia broke open look come out go win or Ghana. What would they say? Still. yeah, still papa every hour. A chunk of them. If China, India, UK,
Ukraine come.
It be for Ukraine,
yeah. It be for Ukraine.
A minimal.
And now,
less than 5%.
At the end of the year, cement in your friends.
Clinker.
And also
less than still a fee Ukraine ban. Less than 5% of the chunk ban.
I don't know the percentage.
Currently. Uko check it.
1.5%.
No, less than 5%.
Less than 5%.
Less than 5%. Still like if you
Ukraine.
Less than 5% of your consumption. Major steel manufacturing companies are Omoaba Ghana Nina.
Okay, I'll say 60%.
About 60% of steel are using Ghana. It's either from India or made in Ghana by Indian companies.
Okay.
Eti omu fa bibia mreyo na Ukraine ntokwa no ko no omu economy na collapse ka wo no government sustain defend omu boa Russia ni Ukraine any effect bia wo yeso.
No, you cannot also rule.
Me say Ghana economy any effect bia wo yeso. A borrowed problem. Na amuka COVID by na me catch your Kofi or studio has said. COVID are presenting a nice opportunity for us to transform the face of your economy. But omo dwene your economy no mu our problem will be worse. And yet me. Time a COVID by Ghana no. Na yen foremost institutions are COVID PCR testing MIM you say obi anya COVID no. Na yen Gucci. Iowa University of Ghana, which is Ghana's public university. And a KCC Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, another Ghana public university. Now these two universities in our Department of Agric. And your national service schemes almost once as you and other places. And this say who say you PCR tested at airport never my yesika. Knowing very well say Thailand and Indonesia no more yekojeje enuane e wo de baha no omo ya announcement said now they are going to produce for themselves because of what they are going through for some time and some more exporting. It means that one way or the other exporter or say a free ho e de baha no yenya
Kenya started exporting oil.
Yenya. We have to take advantage of the situation, make money with it, give it to our foremost agricultural institutions, omunko into cereal production in several thousands of hectares. What did we do? Quickly, within Obi start register frontline. Onye registration we near man the contract say onko yes PCR I am say before. Onko PCR texting Kotoka airport. No very well says Kabebem. You really no $167 million. One person. Na Ghana na airport here they $16.3 million. I am amu say before. Say Russia Ukraine. Russia for the better take this poor decision man. Russia for the better take decision man say who airport wo dia. Airport ni ya wa wo dia. Who investors akese mienu a omo na timi ye PCR test ni ma hu se yare ni nie a yare ni buy mu oni omo na eye e bredu si ye de sa ade ni yesika wo se fona beka se fa komo obire no nyesika na Ghana nyesika ketwa The advantage that COVID gave to you, if we had invested $167 million in production of cereal, it will be when you COVID, you see your munti krum. Now, US, broska, baby. No, Cabrania, when you mean, say Gata will tell you on your nate, made the $43 million according to alone them. About that. Kotiamia keke. Edia kugu Gata no enfinfin. Was with the 43 million there. Edia ba. Oh yeah we are. O man, o won jero. COVID fa we hu ben. And the second ba. But because of mu pe bia wie gu dey mu ntino, mu take poor decisions. COVID never bo Ghana Kofi. We have cumulative in Ghana and how we have expanded. Now, finance minister kwa oka difference say president course he spend say nipa no mo kasa about COVID nya obi antimi exactly how much was spent. I manage na entirely. And since I came ko yintimi mbu akonta. Wo be ka che say COVID ayo de.
Nti okra supply okra wo ma suppliers nda so aso musika kama ya bentua.
Kofi. Mom say abufu. Now mo ka say UK economy. They call inflation. Study UK economy and study the genesis of one problem. Gazprom. And the supply gas. Aboche power. Gas in Zanum a hinged heat and is a hinge on supply of gas.
Yeah.
And Gazprom, a Russian company, ne provide Lithuania, Germany, Poland, UK, Denmark provide you more gas, more money, and the starting of war no buy no money sanctions. All this economy, inflation were driven by energy. And war Austria hono. Got to bomb, been a cobble pipe, not supply and come over visa a Russian attack. Russia found to say Ukraine sabotage. Because my dear and the pressure the Bawamu economy and in Aboche energy is everything.
Yeah.
And when the energy sector had a problem, it's spread out. What they are saying? Because energy no it will affect production of food. Aboche kwedu bebia de kanya no edua enuaba. And to be o kodumu bia ye hinged on energy. It once energy suffers, it will affect every sector of the economy. Who the entesa? Who the entesa? What are you laughing at? Is it not a fact?
So you are crucifying economics.
I'm crucifying with economics. I'm crucifying with economics. I'm speaking. You are giving. I'm not giving it economic lectures. You are giving us examples, and I'm going into the background of those examples. Was in crucify economics. Because when you are being exposed, you want to ridicule unnecessary. Please, Okasana me wahana ma edi. Okasa for 20 minutes. I kept quiet as if I was a ghost.
And
the man, number boy. Now, Ghana ni be there dance say 2020 about one. Obi asemo ka say COVID na be jemu. No ma say krom da na ki etum. That is why mulusu munya 1 million votes. You lost over 500,000 votes in the subsequent elections. From 167 seats, you came to 137. Eti bian just know your first time was better. Na de ba kwa ya omo kan na me bu afu pa ye good for oil no. What I say? A bufu sem. The most useless thinking I've seen since independence. Nana minua ishaka ka bi say I say the fuel prices are above. Now economy na cost so ahonchire ba last year Africa na say no fuel prices are above. See on the world market fuel is selling around $73 to $75 per barrel. Currently. Yeah. They even refer to your budget, media budget. Your minister said it. It's not over here to Google right now. Your minister even said it. Sir, fuel price is 84 to 75 in his document at home. But I'm saying that it's selling between 73 and 75. And I must say, refer to your minister. I'm saying that
per barrel. It's easily.
Me say. Your minister, even in his document, the bar parliament, media, he stated it. Say fee 84 about 75. Or yes, our announcement. Then you now your two full money could do 12.99, 95. Until the end, at the end of form. Factors I'm doing my for world market prices. And a cost round a cost road drama also. And a dollar, a gin some was the dollar ninety a cost road. But the more the dollar above form. Mokroya the dollar above from world market prices and also above form. But the most are pum. Kind of cray. Kind of cray. Mpacho, let me.
Crude oil.
Why are you doing this?
Minister,
no. Mosema grow economy. Mid-year was a grow economy by 4.2. Meboa. In the same document, or say the economy will grow at 1.5. Nyasa beni. Yeah, economy. Who manage economy? You do a finu. Who's will grow economy by 4.2, but you be 1.5 with 3 boom.
You don't need to add those ones.
No, how is this sensible? That an economy that you are telling Ghanaians say I grow by 4.2, it will end by growing at 1.5. How? Mas no. Economy no pick economy.
It's looking at the cumulative.
Yes, now this is the cumulative growth for the year, mid-year. That's 4.2. That's what they told us. That's what they told us. Please. I don't like this. Okasana could have interjected you. There are a lot of things we were saying. I was not happy about it. Please. He presented a mid-year review. And he said that he's growing. Who when he grow economy by 4.2. Now we are giving you hard facts. Who can say we are growing the economy by 4.2? What can I handle pay? And I'm telling you that after telling Ghanaians say what grow economy by 4.2, let's admit what you are saying that a quarter. You end up by growing the economy 1.4. So what happened to your 4.2 growth? What happened to it?
Okay.
Growth now fine.
Zuba landed.
I'm on 20 minutes.
Landed.
I'm on 20 minutes.
Zuba landed.
Oh, now yet Kruma yes Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana no monitor no. Was think of one here bank usually. Omo boka 9 billion, no the 21 billion a go. No about 60 billion anyom. Huh? Oh no her bank to sono. Was think of one here bank usually instead of say 9 billion no majuma no ejina na nkofo anya adwuma ayo no. Ya the 21 billion egu enyuma no. Ya the 21 billion egu nyuma no. I'm a comfort fee. I'm a bank snap collapse. Because I don't be a hoya near Nuwo in a good city or gungo. A thinking. Say, will be in the democratic society. Ubiquitous suspicious the banking source of funding. From suspicious source. Yeah, funding court. Court to be unpronounced as at near Johnson, a good bank. And what ya near the break. Nanko for US cut 30% the Yomudia bank. Thank
you very
much.
Gold
for oil. Gold, you know. See, an ounce of gold, boy, is saying. Crude oil, saying. Since we started at the Sena Modiaba. Kwano, boy, it is the economy. Description of the Maya, no.
Okay.
Mampenin, not doing so, Obama economy. That is why prominent MP before me businesses. Yeah? Now, Obibini black man, the voice. Cowboys be, I see a year. I was fantastic.
Okay.
The MP before be by our best friend. Baako pɛ ɛna ɔmaa no baako na ɔde maa no ɛfɛ no Muhammad Kofi no wɔpra ana ofili sɛ ɔmo na de no konya accident wɔ tema hɔ no mpra ɛna party na sɛ yi ɔmo nyama no ntina no ho mɔbɔ. You know what he told them? Ɔsɛ mo yɛdi mo akyi ama mo sika mama bie enyu ya mo party na ba pa wa mo ba enyu ma gu ba be bi sam sika free mani score. What you want?
Okay, Zuba, thank you.
And Maxi, these are prominent MP before who are crying out loud. Mister, any jargon that you use in the economics will not make sense until the people who are running businesses and will say, cost of doing business. I know I'm a koto kanya first. I'm in the shop at the end of the brew. They say me top 500. Yeah, mommy, me top 500. Me the 140 in the coffee. Me koto bi komi fee. Then me came say me top 200 cedis. Me 64 and also tax.
Thank you. I checked the crude oil. I think the prices are very high. Your WTI crude, your Brent crude, your Marvin crude,
you use Brent, you're saying.
You use Brent 86.7.
But minister document all about saying.
Yeah, that was then.
Last week, we are discussing budget. No, you're saying we are discussing budget.
Yeah, I need to refer from the budget.
I'm referring for the budget. Or catch say a fee from 84 Okay. Is it not in his document?
Okay, yeah.
Minister of Finance a free from 84.
Thank you.
84
okay.
to 75.
Okay.
And I'm saying, I don't know where's the announcement in the
Okay.
And I'm saying that so good for oil in your impact.
Thank you.
Up to now, they have not even brought 200,000 metric tons of crude.
Okay. My yanka yet for so bit me and Koswato. The next 5 minutes may draw a year cash for or cash out with me the cash out. Star 439 star 439 no star 439 hash no select option 6 now wait me win mami tuesday
Aduanaba sir abranche is a mini debate actually as matter of fact before say maybe she na debate no na many others na debate
okay
or by a elevated discussion. That's a credit I will give to him. Now, mom say, "Oh, crucify statistics. Unya botre. Ni enkanche ne say facts and figures now will produce no. Enya no kre. And the kre wo mu pa ne say oil price waka meboa.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, what go to the most current?
Yeah. As of today,
86.72. So, these are the facts. A friend is saying, Afe Okafa say UK economy any more reliance on Russia energy and I affect UK. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Okay. Today's live Brent crude oil spot price is 82.4 per barrel. It's not even 86 as you are saying.
Okay.
But I'm only making a reference to the minister's
the
document, which he read in Parliament, which is a fact that he had come from 84 to 75. So you cannot tell me that I'm giving facts. Which is
okay.
When it is your document that your minister presented to Parliament, then it means that your minister, when he was coming to Parliament, was not properly informed.
Thank you, Mami.
Zuba, who crucify statistics? TRCA. Now you proceed.
I'm dealing with your statistics. I'm not crucifying statistics.
Sure. Many are global issues, energy, fuel prices, and inflation, and he understands globalization maybe more than me.
Okay, whilst you talk, I think for Mayor draw back here, and he will announce the numbers. Trust me.
Sir, SMC, UK, Germany, France, Turkey, and this is also my Ghana. So, hey, it's only when you want to do blind opposition, and now because he and Fanny said, "Who Russia the crown any direct impact also, it will indirect impact also." Yes, you know, mean concase link, you know, and yet direct link, any direct link, you know, an impact also. That argument, you know, cannot be valid. Ghana ports. CCA company ejuma ye ports. I'm talking about a harbor. NDC, you're John Dramani Mahama. One I'm kofa umba. Sikasen and omunya. Emres saying and omo be di juma wo ho ansana. Omo ati omuka. Sikasen na enyunu ho. Please. Yes, re. So, opposition na opesa obabaka. Give us clear, direct, practical policies. Wo ba. Wo de ba abesisanema. And it's one of the main reasons why NDC is unlikely to win election 2024.
I see.
If you say official be riding on the back of the weaknesses of the opponent and then the competitor to win elections, it doesn't. A bravo competitor no every single day would it be bad to address the issues? Okay. He talked about, our friend is saying, growth. Yes. My point is this. Say 4.2 no a year first quarter. It doesn't matter whether it's quoted a war budget.
Wrap up on that. Let's touch a quick on the Bank of Ghana. We'll have 3 minutes.
Yeah. Or not.
We are Zuba because I'll give you 5 minutes because
or not. It is still time I will be quoting. It doesn't matter. It is still 4.2 as at first quarter. Okay. And then he talked about MPP losing 500,000 votes, and then also majority to parity. Galamsey was key. The issue about fishing ban was key. It was a coastal line. Almost all Galamsey site MPP lose except perhaps Mr. Takwa, a few votes in polling stations in Takwa, and then also the banking sector cleanup effect. So yenim adia a accountable for.
Okay.
So going forward, no, memma sa 500,000 loss because you also lost more than 1.2 million votes. Okay. Why? Because 2012, no, over just about 300,000 votes.
Let's start
on Lucy by almost 1 million.
Let's start a quick on the Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana issue
21 days ultimate.
Yeah. Minority that is our ultimate minority. To start with, Czech Republic, German Bundesbank, 10 out of 32 emerging markets, a Reserve Bank of Australia, Bank of England, Reserve Bank of Australia, 27 billion Australian dollars, almost loss. UK, 150 billion pounds. Swiss Bank, 130 billion Swiss franc. Central Bank of Netherlands, 9 billion euro. Singapore, $30.8 billion, of Singaporean dollars. The list can go on and on and on and on. Said the time ya mekano no me say enye se baby die ekoye say nti no wo die wa incur losses a Aduanaba na ye akonosem debi. But me mention these various central banks even outside the shores of Africa. Our money incur losses no, just to make a point to say 2022, the year 2022 was a very terrible year for the global economy. As a matter of fact, I am under oath. I mean to mean disclose. Board be myself. If we give you the figures post-COVID and after COVID, and then Russia war in Ukraine. Now me say we aggregate this situation for companies in Ghana. Now okabomwa a bit show the effect. I'm saying I'm under oath, so I won't mention the names. But the fact is that we import to papers, and now they are your production. I call it 15. I call it 17.
But you have records from their own accounts. Car maintenance. I mean, the wastages are there, spending over 60.22 billion.
We no the internal issues that require their direct response to these questions.
Okay.
See, media may deal with
the general
issue. But then the treatment, 60.8 billion loss. Now, loss will be a baby. If it's a gain or a loss, eco reserves. So the same financial statement, we will say one more report of friend is saying negative equity of I think about 55 billion. What you say? Now, and now one more ankasa so actually mu ekwan mu fa so on be recover. As you say, Bank of Ghana on your profit making entity.
Yeah.
Nemom adeɛ bi a Bank of Ghana na monto bi obetru bi and dedi kan ɛsɛ sɛ wotimi hu sɛ ɔman nneɛma boɔ no yɛtimi a control the kakra the potokasa me friend inflation afei ya control your lending or interest rate and your exchange rate no so yɛtimi ahwɛ enti adeɛ bi a ɛbɛ hayen ama ahase no chimato kɛse atoe bi ane so mutu anamo so one two anamo ɔman no sikasɛm na bɛ crash complete